Guys, mag-revenge ta. Let's revenge, guys. Because someone is trolling me. Look. Like this, like tagak-tagakin. Look, guys. My God, guys. Ano gani kay mag-trolling? Tawag pa kayo magpapariho pero dili. Hala, kalata. Sige. Kana, oy, mag-revenge ta, guys. Let's use my power, guys. Let's use our power, guys. Sangat mo mag-update ako, guys. Bidungan ko adto, guys. Wait, guys. Daara, guys. Niabot na dito, guys. Try ratag walha, please, kung kawalha patakay. Look, oy, bikon naman kayo natin, guys. Mubalik. Let's go there, guys. Bye, guys.